I need to show you something. This is a fiddly fig. You know, normally they look something like this, but this one has gotten pretty big. This one's actually a volunteer that just somehow sprouted in the gravel of our greenhouse, which there is soil underneath the gravel. That's what it's growing in. And it has gotten absolutely massive. It has some huge leaves. And the tree itself is over 15 feet tall now. Now, what's even crazier is this tree is only 3 years old. And you might be thinking, how's that possible? Because a lot of homeowners have fiddle figs that are much older than 3 years old that aren't nearly as big as this. Well, let's talk about why. So first of all, this plant is growing with its roots unrestricted. It's not inside of a small pot like most fiddle figs are that are in people's homes. In fact, I bet if we were to do some digging and actually trace some of those roots to see where they go, I wouldn't be surprised to find roots 20 or 30 feet away that have gone other places in this greenhouse. Next is, this tree was never topped. Most fiddle figs that you see in a store, they've been cut at least once, but oftentimes multiple times in order to make them more compact and bushy. And thirdly, and most importantly, are the growing conditions that it's in. This plant is getting, well, almost full sun because the only thing that is between it and the sun is polycarbonate plastic. And when fiddle figs get brighter light, they are going to grow faster. And, you know, of course, the temperature is going to mimic more closely its home range, which would be Western Africa. Because we keep our tropical greenhouse above 65 degrees year round, and in the summertime, it gets really hot in here. I guess the only bad thing about this plant is it's gotten so big that it's actually touching the roof of the greenhouse, so this year we're going to have to get up on ladders and actually cut it back. But we'll save that video for another day.